Hey guys, the Wood Craftsman here. This video is basically just a bunch of short clips of different driving conditions that these headlights have been exposed to. A little bit of everything, some's better than others, but I'll probably do another night drive with an actual camera mounted in the cab with a little bit more, hopefully steadier video footage. Just had these, taking the time to have them aligned. They're actually a pretty decent output, but with some of the issues I've had and quality concerns, I'm not sure if they're actually worth the money, especially after a little bit of research I've been doing. That I've been finding that Akkon and Spyder, which is, if you order Akkon from Amazon, you're actually getting a Spyder headlight, I guess, and seen some other videos on YouTube with the Silverado version with the same projectors. Some of the concerns I had is telling me that basically I think there's one manufacturer making all these projectors and headlight assemblies and actually just branding them underneath a different brand. And unfortunately I bought the most expensive set, and I think for what I paid I would expect higher quality, but I'm pretty sure if I were to buy OEMassive or Recon or Spyder or any of these other ones, Xtune Power, I'd have the exact same headlight. Now, I haven't confirmed that 100%, but going off of some of the images I found on various websites as far as the actual projector themselves, they all have this light scatter above the cutoff line, which I'll show you in a different part of the video here, but they for some reason have a little piece of aluminum welded to the front of the cutoff shield, which actually shines light above the cutoff line to more so, I think, highlight like highway signs and things like that. But as you'll see in one of the video clips, it's actually very annoying in a foggy condition. So anyways, hopefully this will help you guys kind of get a better understanding as far as you get what you pay for. I'm not going to tell you not to buy the Recon. I'm going to tell you get what you pay for. So I don't see a significant difference between the Recon and some of the other cheaper ones. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Here's the rest of the video. All right guys, thanks for watching. Okay, so if you made it this far in the video, first of all, I want to say thank you for watching the entire video, and second of all, this is kind of the closing comments and conclusion of these Recon projector headlights for the 07-13 GMC Sierra. So these headlights, overall, the light output is actually quite nice. The one thing that is kind of a little bit deceiving is the fact that there's that controlled light scatter that I believe is used to kind of highlight the signs a little bit, but as you saw driving in fog, it's actually quite a nuisance. So that's probably one of the disadvantages I really hate about it.
The second thing is I've had an issue with moisture. I reached out to Recon and they pretty much have just been ignoring my emails. Anytime I tried calling them, the individual I need to talk to is never around. They take a message, say they'll call me back, and he never calls me back. I send another email. They say they never got the message to call me back. It's just a big circle that goes around with nothing getting resolved. So service after the sale, I have to say, is definitely not there. I've had some emails going back and forth, and literally nothing has been resolved. The moisture in the headlight has gotten better. It's actually evaporated to the point where you can't see it too much anymore, but I'm due to go through another car wash again, so it'll be interesting to see once what happens. So the light output is fantastic. It's better than my previous set. However, without actually trying a set of like the Spyders or the Akkons from Amazon or Car ID, I can't say that these headlights are anything different. Now, the one thing that Recon stated is that the glass in these projectors is by far clear at a much higher grade, and they also claim that these headlights actually have the OLED daytime running lights. Ironically enough, on Amazon, I actually found a set that claimed the same thing. So, and they were, well, $200 compared to $700. So, are these headlights rebranded for different brands and one manufacturer making them all? I'm not sure. The only way anyone could verify it is actually have the two side by side. And if I did anything, that might be my next step to actually try a set of the Spyders from Car ID or some other website. So, like I said, they got great output. If you can deal with a little bit of light scatter, they may not be bad, but I just can't believe that light scatter is not affecting some of the oncoming traffic, especially if they're not aimed correctly. Take this information what's worth. I just wanted to share it with you because the biggest thing I'm having an issue with
is service after the sale. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Questions and positive comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.